Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about the concept of interest rate parity. Before we get into this concept, let's understand the case study. Let's say the risk-free rate in India for one-year deposit is 7% and denoted by RF-INR. The risk-free rate for one-year deposit in the US is 3% represented by RF-USD. So you'll think about taking a loan in the US, deploying the money in India and capturing the spread of 4%. Does this mean you could continue to do this indefinitely, making the transaction as a non-stop money-making machine? Not really. Such arbitrages do not exist for a long time. So let's understand this again with an example. So let's assume that the spot exchange rate for USD INR is denoted by S and the amount is 83 rupees. Futures contract is denoted by F. I don't know the price right now. The interest-free rate for in US and in India is 5 and 7% respectively and denoted by RUSD and RINR. Also, there's an assumption that money can be moved from one country to another country. There is no restriction on amount and there are no taxes. Let's say, what do? I borrow 1 USD from the US at the rate of 5%, bring it to India, convert it into INR at the rate of 83, which is the current spot rate, deposit it for 1 year in India at an interest rate of 7%. After 1 year, I return the money back to the US. And because I'm not very sure of the future USD INR exchange rate, I log this using a 1 year futures USD INR contract. At the end of the year, what will I have in India? I will have an interest of 5.81%, which is 7% of 83 rupees, plus principal of 83 rupees. That means a total amount of 88.81 INR. The loan repayment in the US for $1 would be now 1.05 USD. If the money which I receive in India after 1 year is the same as the loan amount to be paid in the USD, then there is no risk-free profit. So how will the equation look like? The equation will look like this: S into 1 plus RINR is equal to F into 1 plus R USD. That is 83 into 1 plus 0.07 is equal to F into 1 plus 0.05. So the futures price calculated by this equation is 84.5809. This is the rate which we used. So F is equal to the interest rate differential between the two currencies. This concept of the difference between the futures and the futures exchange rate and the spot exchange rate being approximately equal to the difference in the domestic and foreign interest rate is called interest rate parity. The interest rate parity says that the spot price and the futures price of a currency pair incorporate any interest rate differentials between the two currencies. Assume there is no transaction cost or taxes. Thank you so much. Let's quickly connect in the next video on a different concept. Thank you.